Halor ka jingkento jong unong ilam ka All India Trinamool Congress kabadon hakaliang persya hajla Meghalaya u menteri rangba ka sarkar jela Conrad kongkal sangma ulong bawat penlong kiu jaka ya ka Khappud yo baka kerto kelah syalade ya kaneu menteri rangba ul ajingkran haka khatlai terik ubnai naitung arjar arwar hak por kebaikan bat kelat pathai kubor hanong ba shalong Nakaliang jong Conrad kongkal sangma walaupun sengau bak All India Trinamool Congress kabadon hakaliang persya bahkan kiar nak jinglekai politics ye ke kampen bejput dak bapen ken mauru pak sos kular pen bejput balasoi bat ke jela Assam kedik bala pensyong nongrim nakamap bat ke kai pot jong snem arjar khatway bat bala IT dak sarkar kongres balai lamhi daud Dr. Mukul sangma ku menteri rangba ha kitu kipor u Conrad kongkal sangma ula kerpat ye ke liang persya AITC dak bong bagine kimde ki kamban le politics namar kipai ba ke jela ke ladap ban sya ke jingjinjar mental ki bon snem Namar ka jingken thok batang ek jingkren unong yalam ke AITC bar ubolong ru hak ju kopor menteri rangba barim jong jela Dr. Mukul sangma ubaong bak AITC kan sapen kelabiang ya ke sekolah balai soy preng ka Meghalaya bat ke jela Assam ladaki paj ba ki jit ya ke AITC bat bakan shimti ya lakam ka jing sensyar haus nam arjar arpulai nakaliang jong Conrad kongkal sangma ulong ba so ya hab ya ne ke jingken thok u Conrad kongkal sangma ulong ru bakilale ayu haki prasnem ki belalek no bat Dr. Mukul sangma ubade menteri rangba hak te kapor ulapun pau dak bong ba umla aban sungthu balai kidon ye ke bakum kene ke jingso dak ba benrap bat ong ru baki diban kemen habang lala ban penbet ye kene kam ke bala juat bha bat ke bala slem bha u Conrad ulong ba unong ilam ke liang persya Dr. Mukul sangma ula keren ye ke jingsor jamin ke batkena bat ki map jaka Henry ki map bat ki kaipot ki dei ki bala IT dak sarkar house name arajar kharway Namar kata, lada day ban ye jengok ye kimap haki tegi por, lada day ban ye jengok haus nam arjar khatway khatar. U Conrad ulong ba compare lada ke sarkar Kongres lane ke sarkar NPP, kamat hi kalong ba sarkar Meghalaya haus nam arjar khatway, kala yai leng ba kimap bat kala IT ye ke kai pot sya ke sarkar Assam, bat kadon tang khat arteli ki jaka ki badan hapadeng kecing ye kerja. Kumbar cupan kan mau kendiat bagi jela Meghalaya bat ke jela Assam kilai soy ye sos kular pen bejput hak arpu khandai terik ubanail ber arjar arpu ar bani pen bejno ye kejinya keja haki henru terli ki jaka ki baya kanat bat ye kene sos kular lai soy ru hanong ba Delhi hakmat jong menteri kam poing gari Usri Amit Shah
that the Trinamool Congress has made this statement because to be very frank when they were in power for 8 years they didn't do anything about it, and now when finally something has happened they just simply want to undo it because maybe they were not part of the actual solution at that point in time. I don't know why they are feeling this way. I think they should take it in a positive manner and be happy that we have finally found a solution to a very, very complicated problem like this. And I was going through the statements that have been made by the opposition leader, and he mentioned that the proper surveys and the maps and the different kind of revenue maps should have been looked at. I just want to tell all of you that the maps and the reports that were made, I repeat this, and I think you asked the question also to him, is that these maps were made by them. And the reports that were submitted were those reports that were put in by them. Hence, if the revenue maps had to be seen, then they should have seen it in 2011-12. Now, after the maps and studies and the surveys were done by the government of Meghalaya, irrespective of a Congress government or a NPP government or an MDA government, the point is that the government of Meghalaya in 2011 went through the revenue maps, went through whatever maps, and submitted a report to Assam saying that these are the areas of differences. And now those same people are saying that we should go back to the revenue map. Aren't you, negating your own work and your own stand, the work that you did, the reports that you put in, now you're telling us why did we accept those reports? So it's quite strange that the opposition leader has made these kind of allegations, because if he is making allegations, then he's making allegations against himself only, because we were not there when the reports were made. And now if he's asking us that why are we accepting and why did we work on the basis of the report that was submitted by him, and that we should not have seen those reports and gone through the revenue map, I think it's ridiculous. So he's just trying to make this an issue for the last many years, months, they didn't make this an issue, and now suddenly, maybe because elections are coming, they're trying to find what's happening, what's there, what issues to bring up. Maybe they're making this an election issue. I would urge them that these are not the kind of issues that one should look at.